Have less, enjoy more. I like that. But let me drop that in the chat on Discord to motivate people. Let me see. So how are we gonna do that? Let's go on Discord. I'm trying to motivate people on Discord. Today's motivational quote. Yeah, Mobile is asking about that. It's not generally available. Maybe we can try it out on stream later today. Wink, wink. Today's motivational quote: do less and enjoy more. Becoming a motivational speaker here, guys. This is good stuff. Yeah, so I'll be streaming for hopefully we can get this feature done. That's how long I was thinking. So I have to go to work at 9 a.m. So probably for I don't know, maybe 35 more minutes or something like that. I guess that's how long. Yeah, let's see. Maybe I'll end earlier. I don't know, Mobile. Are you okay? Well, I hope everything is fine. Why are you at the hospital? Hopefully nothing happened at your bachelor's party. I heard these can go really crazy. At least if you've seen the Hangover movies. Oh my god, that's so funny. There are so many funny scenes in the Hangover movie. I love it. Oh, I have to rewatch some of them. The Asian guy is so funny. Like when they have him in the... No, sorry, I'm not gonna spoil it for you. If you haven't watched it, check out the Hangover movie. At least the number one. I don't know how the other ones are. So, we want to go into the create. So I think we need to look at the parser stage. So, DOM, if we look here, let's see. Hey, Secret Mud, how are you doing? If I remember correctly, you're Norwegian, aren't you? By the way, you should join our Discord server if you haven't already, Secret Mud. We're doing some really great stuff. We're helping students worldwide with this new tool. So if you also want to contribute on the code, here, you can contribute. Sorry, that was the wrong command. This is what I wanted to post. Oh, why do I keep writing the wrong command? It's so early in the morning, guys. I'm struggling to keep up with the chat. Okay, there. That's the link I wanted to post, the GitHub. So the code is all there. It's open source. Essentially what we're doing is we're a bridge between two programs. The one program is Notion, which is a note-taking program. Students use it. Medicine students write notes. And then the other one, oh nice, we got the GitHub star. So the other program is Anki, and that's the revolutionary thing here. Anki is a spaced repetition tool. It's based on science. It works. You're going to remember stuff. You're going to spend less time on stuff. So medicine students use this thing because it works. It seriously works. So what notion2anki does is it takes your Notion notes and then converts them to flashcards, right? So some students have been sending me emails and they tell me, this is what they write to me, guys. This is what they're telling me. God tier add-on. Dude, you just made my day. All day I was doing this one by one, and now this is at another level. Thank you so much. This has saved a lot of time of copying and pasting. Bro, you just saved me a crap ton of time. I love you, bro. I'm telling you, these people are sending me so... This is just a small sample, guys. They're sending me even more. They're sending me messages on Discord. They're sending me emails. And I'm not joking, like people all around the world are doing it. Chinese people are sending me messages. People from countries I've never even heard about are sending me. Yeah, it feels good. Thank you. Please, if you're watching this, keep sending me the positive feedback. It motivates me, guys. Thank you. So, essentially, the tool takes a zip file. You upload a zip file here. And... and then you do have some options, like for example close deletion. You can change the font size, you can pick a custom deck, but I like using close deletion as the default. It's so powerful, I don't want to waste my time. So I'm gonna start Anki in the background here and then switch to a different profile so I can show you guys I have a profile called regression testing. So let me hit the convert, and then it converted like instantly. This is so fast. I made this tool so fast. I'm really happy with how fast it is. So it's like it takes seconds. Seriously? Has it really expired? That's weird. Try this one. Does this one work? I should fix... I have to fix that. Fix Discord stream. Amazing! Welcome to the club, man. We look forward to your pull requests. You're gonna help students all around the world succeed with their exams. Okay, so I think did I import this stuff? Yeah, I imported the HTML test. So let me switch to Anki. Here's the flashcard repetition tool. And yeah, let me write on Discord. Welcome. Cool. So here is Anki. And if we go into the deck we just created, so here's the front. And you get a question, how well do you remember it? We remember it. So this is just example data, right? Okay, Canberra, blah, blah. Let's see, I'm just gonna try to find one of the... Yeah, here's the bug we want to fix. We want to make this one totally expanded. Some medicine students want this stuff to be closed, so we know it doesn't work. So we can fix that. And let me actually, if we should actually do it quickly. We should create a duplicate, because I don't want to go through all of these ones, so it kind of takes time. So let's duplicate this page. Have you tried Notion secret mode? Nested toggle expanded test. And I think I'm just going to delete all of these other ones because I just want to test this one. I don't care about all of these. Let's close that. Bam. And let's export that file. We're going to call this... what are we going to call this? Our sample. You should try it. Like, I don't know what you're doing right now if you're studying or working, but I use it for work. I use it for my life. Seriously, I use it for work, everything. Let me just show you quickly how it looks. Here you can see I have 3 things I have to do for the channel. I have goals, I have work tasks, I have food habits, I have my workout journal, I have my Twitch, I have my Anki, I have my running. Like, I have so much stuff in here that it's like a second brain. Everything is in here. So I'm telling you, this tool is it's amazing. And it also looks nice. You have emojis, you have cover images. It's so simple. I really wish I had something like this 10 years ago or something. Amazing. So let's get back to the conversion. Let's make sure it still breaks. You're really missing out, secret mode. I definitely recommend trying Notion at least once. Try giving it a couple of hours. But you can use it in the browser. You can use it in the browser. Hey, terrible Goss. Let's see. There. So let's convert this and then check out if it's still broken. It should be broken. I hope it's broken so we can... so just go to... let me drop a link in the chat for you. Okay. Let's see. So terrible goes. If you haven't tried notion2anki... Oh, Oh, cool, cool. Hey, can you speak Chinese, by the way? I'm looking for someone who can make a Chinese video about notion2anki. If you can speak Chinese, you should definitely join our Discord and or join our Discord regardless. But if you speak Chinese, we really need someone who can make a Chinese video for us. I've been looking for someone. I was almost gonna ask some of my friends, but yeah, they're busy. Oh, fantastic! Hey man, we really should collaborate on a video in Chinese. I think the Chinese users would love it. They keep sending me emails and stuff, so if we could have, we have a bunch of videos, just check them out on YouTube, and fantastic. Just let me know your name, and then I can send you a couple of examples. Like Abi and Alp have been making videos, and it kind of works. So if we can do, yeah, if we could do one in Chinese, I would be so grateful. So, okay, so did it break? I don't know if it broke. Let's create, if we go back to the create, let's re-upload our file. Sorry, this is the wrong link. There. We're gonna upload this. Our sample expand, that's the name. And let's use a unique name. We'll change the deck name to our sample expand something. There. And let's make the font size humongous. There. And convert it. Okay, we found a bug. We found a bug. I'm not going to fix this bug right now. I'll take a screenshot, look at it later. I think it's probably the deck name. I thought I fixed this bug, but obviously not. So let's just refresh and not pick a custom deck name. That's we'll just use the regular name for now. I think there's some issues. Oh wait, I'm running on the live one. Sorry, let me run locally. Let me run locally. That's where we want to be running this. We'll convert it. Bam. This is the bad one. So if we go back to Anki here, let's see. Yeah, so here in our Anki, I'm gonna import this. Actually, let's first delete this one. So terrible goes, have you tried notion2anki? Like, there's a feature I'm gonna add right now, which someone asked me about yesterday. So essentially, one of the problems we have with notion2anki, someone has complained about it, is that this toggle list here is automatically expanded. So I'm gonna make it so that it's actually closed, like this. This way you can associate information to different toggle lists, and then you can, yeah, you can hide information based on the context you want to learn and so on. So let me do actually another deck here for Secret Mud, who's not familiar with Anki. So here's essentially some nutrition advice my doctor has given me, and here is close deletion, which says don't grovskivet, 2 to 3 grovskivet bröd, which means 2 to 3 slices of bread. Good, I remember that. And lunch I should eat salad, that's what he says, no warm food. I've been spoiled most of my life, so good. And skivet grovt bröd, bam, nice. So I don't remember that. So basically that's what it is, Secret Mud. You use evidence-based revision to go through stuff, and it's spaced out, so you get the more the better you do it, the longer away it is till you get asked the same thing, and the worse you do it, the earlier you see it. So it's an amazing tool. It's going to change your life. Go use Anki today, please. If you haven't tried it, Secret Mud, you have to try Anki. It's going to change everything for you. You're going to study less, and what else? Yeah, you're going to study less, essentially. So let's get back to the code and fix this parser bug. Or actually, before we fix that, I think we need to look at something. Oh, cool. How did you learn about Anki? Who told you about Anki? I'm trying to tell more people, so I need to learn how people are learning about Anki. Quizlet, probably. Quizlet is another popular one that is common in Norwegian schools. Okay, interesting. Yeah. So I forgot to do one more thing. We need to inspect the DOM in the... let's see. Let's inspect the DOM. see. We need to look at what is in the DOM so we can see what the class is, because it's probably a class being applied. Okay. So it looks like this should be easy to fix. This should be easy because it looks like it only has an open attribute in the DOM. So I think we should be able to add an option that should remove it. So if we go back to VS Code and look at the details, so here's the parser code, and so we need to let me see. In the case where we have details with the open attribute set, we need to remove it from the tag. I think that should fix the bug, essentially. So considering that this bug might be a feature to someone, we can't change the default behavior. We really can't. We have to think of something. So actually, let's go back to the top here. I think we're gonna create a new section here. So let's go to the upload page, and we're gonna say, I know it's not user friendly, or it could be better. We have to clean it up at some point, but for now we're gonna do it this way. So we're gonna copy this card type. Yeah, let's copy that. And let's put that here, and we're gonna say toggle mode, and we're gonna change this to toggle mode. This is just so the form makes the post. So open, let's make that open. Keep nested toggles open. That's going to be the default behavior. The new behavior is closed or close. Actually, let's use better names. Open toggle, close toggle. What are we going to say here? We need something people will understand. Close the toggles. Close the keep nested. Close nested toggles. Let's change this up. I want to make this as simple as possible to understand for people. Okay, so the mode is going to be like this. Let's look at it. So toggle mode, let's delete this stuff here. Open, nested. And let's look at font awesome and find some icon here. What happened to the chat? The chat is kind of empty. Is the chat working? Are you guys still in the chat? Let me know in the chat if the stream has stopped. I'm using Twitch Studio, so you never know with these things. OBS used to crash on me a while back, but yeah. So what we want to do is add a tree or something. Yeah, so let's use this one. So how do we add the icon? Let's just copy that one. Go back here. So the close deletion one has it has an icon right about here, right? I think that's it. No, here. Span icon.isLarge.isLeft. And then we can paste this in. It's of course in regular HTML, so we have to fix that. And bam, bam. There, now we have our nested toggles. Let's see. Let's fix that up, toggle mode. And if we go back to the server, or the deck in this case, settings, I'm just thinking, sorry, no, notifications in the background. We wrote a comment somewhere here and I already forgot it. Does anyone remember which line number the comment was on? Yeah, open something. There we have it. So, let me check something in Anki. If we change this back to, if we look at the Anki here and then the nested one, and then we change the, let's try setting it as a boolean because it looks like it's added or removed. So if we change the open class to open equals to false, nothing happens. I think we have to go on the website of Mozilla and read up on this tag because I have absolutely no idea about. I've only seen it used in Notion, really. Details tag. Let's see. The details disclosure element. The HTML details element creates a disclosure widget in which information is visible only when the widget is toggled into an open state. A summary or label can be provided using the summary element, blah blah. So we're curious about the open. Is there a way to set it? Yeah, so it's a Boolean value. Why didn't it work? That's kind of weird. If it's a Boolean value, I would expect the inspector to work as expected. Okay, so let's try setting it. So the parser code takes time to test, so we have to get it working before we actually write the complete code. We really want to get it working. So obviously it's not working here. If we delete the open tag, it seems to be working, yeah. We should just delete it. We're not going to keep track of it. I wanted to optionally set it because then in the parsing tree that's going to be easier, in my opinion. But regardless, we're going to do it this way. So let's go to Google here, Cheerio attribute. And this is one of the libraries we're using in the project. So let's look at the attribute stuff, what is written there. Maybe there's a remove. Yeah, that's exactly what we want. Because if we look at the Mozilla docs here, it says open is a, what did it say? Is a Boolean attribute, right? So if we pop off that case, fantastic, then it should work. So, thank you for the follow, terrible goose. So, thank you very much. We're growing the Discord, sorry, the Twitch. So, amazing, thanks. I think we have fixed this. There's just one step now. There's really just one step. So, we have to, if the user settings, self.settings, toggle mode equals to open, else, and actually we really want to be careful with how we're dealing with this. So let's also make sure we explicitly check for the state here, toggle mode, because I don't know how people are using this stuff. And I don't remember how I'm using it even, so let's not break anything for anyone, anywhere. So here are the names we need. So open toggle and close toggle. So if we go back to the parser, we can paste that in, bam, and let's fix that. And again, we should double check this because memory can trick us there. Close toggle looks good. So in the case of the close toggle, I see. I'll just call you Terrible Goss. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, to be honest. Do you speak French by any chance? We're also looking for someone to make a French video. It would be like a God gift if you both speak Chinese and French. That would be, yeah, we're being blessed, I guess. So we're gonna remove the attribute. I think it's called open, like that. And in the other case, we're just gonna add it. And I think it's just add after, right? I don't remember. Let's look this stuff up. I should create the Anki flashcards for this library. I use it so often, it's getting a little bit ridiculous. Every time I have to look it up. Should have Anki flashcards for it. So after, there, so easy it is. After, we're gonna set the open and we're just gonna set it to empty string because that's what it's expecting. So if this works, I'll be surprised, definitely surprised. And remove after open. Okay. Cameroon. To be honest, I really don't know where Cameroon is on the map. I'm sorry, I don't know. The map stuff is really the worst subject for me. I don't only know a couple of countries in the world, to be honest. So, is it in Africa or is it in Europe or where is Cameroon? And do you speak French there? Okay, yeah. So French is your native language. I'm so happy to have you here, Terrible Goose. Hopefully you can get motivated to make some YouTube videos. Let me actually show you a couple of examples. So here is just a landing page I have for my various YouTube channels. And for the guys watching on YouTube, remember to subscribe. Let's see. So there is two people who are very kind and mostly make videos with me. It's Alp and so you can check out some of them. How do I close this thing? There. Here is Alp. He makes videos often. Philip has also helped out. Abi has also helped out with the Anki droid. So you can just take a look at those videos to get the impression on the format. Oh, it's Central Africa. I'm actually born in Kenya, if you know where that is. So. Let me drop one more. So I usually do an intro for people who make videos for the channel. They send me the files and then I upload it. I'm try to do cool intros for people, especially the close deletion one. I really like that one. Let me find that one. Close deletion. Where's the close deletion one? Here I was recording a video in the middle of the rain, guys. This was a good video. I liked it. Check that one out too. It's intro for Alp. He was gonna talk about close deletion. We added close deletion support. So if you have any ideas on how we can improve this tool to make it amazing, we want to help students all around the world. Yes, let us know. If you have a cool idea, let us know. We'll make it easier for anyone, for free. So using these tools can be so hard and frustrating. We want to make it as easy as possible for normal people. Now, no computer science background, no coding skills required. You can just use it. Yes, it's, you know, I've been an Anki user for a while and I think it's so embarrassing that we still tell people to go read the manual. Like, we have to change that and we're working very hard at changing that. So hopefully you will never need to read the manual when you want to do Anki stuff and also Notion stuff. So Let's see. The moment of truth has come. In Norway, we have this TV show called... It's not that popular anymore. It's called Do You Want to Become a Millionaire? And they have this saying in the show. It says, Sannhetens øyeblikk har kommet. So, I like, if you translate it to English, it essentially means hashtag the moment of truth has come. Not the hashtag, but the moment of truth has come. I don't know, Secret Mud, can you translate it better? Okay, localhost. We're gonna try now. And actually, let's clean up our Anki with, we have to delete the old one. So I just deleted it quickly in the background, no worries. Sannhetens øyeblikk har kommet. We're gonna upload it now. There's this stuff. Actually, sorry, I forgot to restart the server. We have to restart the server whenever we do parsing changes. It's kind of premature to stage these changes, but who cares? Let's see if this works. If this works, it's gonna be amazing. Okay, so default is open. We want to close them. Close nested toggles. I'm gonna download it. Then we're gonna open it. And then we're gonna check it out in Anki. My heart is beating faster. I'm not sure. Does this work? Does this work? If it works on the first try, I'm gonna be so amazed. No, it doesn't work. It does not work. So why doesn't it work? The details. Let's actually copy this snippet. Copy element. Edit as HTML. Let's just do that and then let's go back to the VS Code browser. Yeah, Notion is totally free, so I have one of the pro plans on one of my accounts, but I just got it because I shared Notion to people and then they gave me some credits on the account, and I think they even changed it. They changed it. The pro plan is free for anybody who has signed up for it. That's really dedication from the Notion people. So let's just create a string here to look at this code. And that's not readable, really. We'll break this down. So we have our details, and we're removing the... Alright, let's see. Let's refactor this. Const toggle mode equals to this thing. We'll start using that. Toggle mode. And let's... Hopefully I can get this done before I have to go to work. Toggle mode. Let's see. Summer class toggle blah blah. Ah, guys, can you see the bug? Secret Mud, can you see the bug? There is a bug in here. I see it now. This is like, I always do this. I always do this when I write code like this. It's Boolean logic. We have to change them. We want to remove it when it's supposed to be closed, and then we want to add it when it's supposed to be open, not the other way around. So, yeah, it's still early in the morning. Of course, we make these kinds of silly mistakes. So let's go back to Anki, and we're gonna delete this thing, and then we're gonna re-import it again. And this time, if everything is correct with the code, it should work. It really should work, but we have to see. So once again, Sannhetens øyeblikk har kommet. Let's see. I'm just gonna refresh, just to refresh. You really don't need to refresh mostly, but okay. Did we pick the right option? Let's change it from open nested toggles to close. And then let's hit convert. And let's hit there. Bam. I just imported it in Anki. Let me switch the window to Anki here. And okay. Let's see. Does this work? It works. Yes! Amazing. Amazing. It collapsed it by default. I'm gonna push this to the dev branch and ask people to test it, and then I have to get to work. So great, thanks guys for helping out. Let's commit that stuff, and we're gonna what are we gonna write here? Yeah, so we have to write the commit message for future us. I'm not gonna remember this stuff. If you want to help out with the testing, I can push out the build and then you can test it out. Parser deck, expose, opening and closing the toggles. Now it's actually, they're called toggle lists. This was requested by Tiffany on Discord. And I think we also actually have an issue on GitHub. What's the issue number? Let's find the issue. Yeah, here it is. This is the issue number. So we're just gonna add that, close this, and let's use the text. And I like cleaning up my issue, so I have the hashtag in the front so people actually know what we're talking about. Bam, 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 bam. And let me create a version pre-patch, and yeah, I guess we can just git push origin. Actually, let's not push it on origin master. Let's go to the dev branch. I'm worried. I don't want to break people have exams and stuff. It's kind of stressing if they send me, if they try to contact me and stuff. So let's only push it to the origin dev, and let's also push it to the dev server. So I don't remember what's the URL, dev. There. Now we should see a bunch of messages on Discord. So what happens now is that it's gonna build everything, the cloud stuff, you know, the magic, and then we're gonna get it live on the dev server. So any moment now it should be done. Thank you, Mobile, for helping us with the build. Amazing. We are very grateful. We used to wait for minutes before. Now it just takes a few seconds, right? Bam, and then it's live. So let's go to the browser here, dev.notion2anki, and then we're going to refresh a couple of times because it's not there yet. But if we refresh, any moment now we can refresh. Let me have some water. Hey, Mobile. I see your message on Discord. Let's refresh. Yeah, so after we have made the deployment, it has some health checks. So it runs 3 checks just so we don't break the app. Before I used to break the app and students were complaining. So we've added health checks in the app or in the deployment. Now it's live. Okay, so fantastic. Go try it out. Go use the feature. Let me know how it works. And I have to get to work. So thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully see you soon.